In this video, we'll show you exactly how to offer web security services through Vendasta. If you're wondering how to use Vendasta's platform to secure websites for your clients, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Vendasta's tools to grow your business while providing essential services to your customers. Now, before we dive in, you can access Vendasta completely free through the link in the description below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up. Make sure to stick around for all the details. Let's kick things off with how Vendasta makes web security simple for you and your clients. With Vendasta, you can offer comprehensive web security services with minimal technical expertise. The platform provides automated tools that make protecting websites easy. Whether it's for small businesses or larger clients, Vendasta helps you deliver essential security features without needing to be an expert yourself. Next thing, Vendasta has integrated tools for website vulnerability scanning. This feature automatically detects common security issues, such as outdated plugins or vulnerabilities in the website code. Once identified, you can offer solutions right from the platform, making your service seamless for both you and your client. Plus, the automated reporting allows you to track and show your clients the improvements you're making to their website's security over time. The third thing to consider is their partnership with third-party security experts. Through Vendasta, you can offer managed security services like malware removal, website firewalls, and SSL certificate management. These services are essential for businesses looking to protect their website from attacks, and you can offer them through Vendasta's easy-to-use interface, giving your business credibility and reliability. The fourth thing is how Vendasta allows you to brand all of this as your own. When you offer web security services, you can provide a custom-branded experience to your clients. They'll never know you're using Vendasta's platform to run the show, which means you get to establish yourself as the trusted expert. Now, let's talk about how you can actually get started. It's simple. Once you sign up for Vendasta, you can immediately start adding web security services to your portfolio. And because Vendasta allows you to track service delivery and progress, you can provide clients with transparent results, which increases trust and ensures they keep coming back for more. The best part is, you can get all of this, web security services, vulnerability scanning, third-party partnerships, and branding for free when you sign up through our exclusive link in the description. You'll even get an extended trial, giving you more time to explore all the features Vendasta has to offer. To sum up, Vendasta's platform makes offering web security services easy and scalable. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your offerings, Vendasta helps you provide essential services without the technical hassle. Don't forget, you can grab a free trial with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description.